How to remove background on GIMP. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove background in GIMP. So for that, first of all, you have to go to the GIMP site. To download the setup file. You can find the link from here, and after that you have to download the setup and install GIMP, and then you have to open the image. To get started, open the image in GIMP. As you can see from here, you have to click on open, or click on Ctrl plus O icon, and then you have to select the tool. So now go to the toolbar and find the fuzzy select tool, and you can see on the tool section there's a tool called fuzzy select tool. And then you have to select the background. So for that you have to click on the image background, and if your background is plain, it would take only one click to select it with this tool. And after that you have to simply hit delete on the keyboard and to remove it. So you can zoom in to closely remove the details from the image. Fuzzy select tool is a quick method, but it is only suitable for simple images. If your image has a lot of details, this might not work as so well. So that's it for this video. That's how you can remove background in GIMP. So see you on the next video.